Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Evelyn Partners, Tilney S&W, review my usage experience. Evelyn Partners, Tilney S&W, review my usage experience offers wealth management and financial planning services. It's aimed at high net worth individuals and families seeking comprehensive financial advice and investment management. Key features include portfolio management, financial planning, and retirement planning. Their website provides details on their various service packages. Their website highlights their experienced team of financial advisors and personalized approach. They emphasize a transparent fee structure, although specifics aren't readily available without a consultation. They position themselves as a sophisticated alternative to more generic investment platforms, focusing on tailored strategies. Availability is nationwide, but a consultation is required to assess suitability. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Evelyn Partners, Tilney S&W. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. After an initial phone call to discuss my financial situation and goals, I was assigned a dedicated financial advisor. The onboarding process involved providing various documents, which was a bit time-consuming, but understandable. Navigating their online client portal was fairly intuitive. I found it easy to track my portfolio performance, review my investment allocations, and access important documents. I was impressed by the detailed reports they provided, offering a clear picture of my financial standing. The performance of my portfolio has been in line with expectations, although market fluctuations naturally impact results. I had a quick question about a specific transaction, and their support responded promptly via email. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app. Everything needs to be accessed through the web portal. Another minor issue is that the initial consultation felt a bit rushed. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Evelyn Partners, Tilney S&W. The personalized service and detailed reporting outweigh the minor inconveniences. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized financial planning advice. It's clear they take the time to understand their clients' needs. That's my overview of Evelyn Partners, Tilney S&W, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.